name is Bhumika and cooking on good food with good times. So I know that all of us are going through a very tough phase right now and we are trying to keep ourselves happy with whatever we can. I think one of the main things that keeps me very happy is cooking. It's very therapeutic for me. And in these times, all of us have sort of become like lockdown chefs. So I love this initiative that NDTV has taken. And today I'm going to bring to you a dish that's very special to my heart, and it's called Gatte Ki Sabzi. It's from the state of Rajasthan and I love this dish. It's my mother's favorite dish. So I'm trying to attempt and bring that to you as well. Now I'm not a professional chef, I'm a home chef, so this is how we do it. You are free to use onion, garlic, whatever you like to. This is a no onion, no garlic recipe for you. So we will be making this recipe in 2 steps. The first step is making the gattas or the besan dumplings that go into your curry. So let's get started. So guys, first, we are going to attempt making gattas. Now people think that it's very complicated. It might be if you're making it for the first time, but don't worry. Let's try and make it together. So if you see, I have put some water for boiling, so that by the time I'm done making my gattas, I can already put the gattas here so that they can cook. So come with me and we'll make this. So for this you would need around 2 cups of besan flour. You will need 3 tablespoons of dahi. Now you want sour curd for this. So आपके पास खट्टा दही होगा तो आप उसको बहुत easily use कर सकते हैं. And you need 2 tablespoons of oil. And now we are going to put in the spices. So you need a little bit of cumin seeds. You need a few carom seeds or ajwain. थोड़ा सा धनिया पाउडर, थोड़ा सा नमक याद रखिए. We will keep some salt in the gravy as well, so you don't need to over salt here. So we will keep a little bit of salt. We will put a little bit of hing or asafoetida as it's called, and we will put a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of red chili powder. So now that everything is in this bowl, what we are going to do is we are going to use some warm water and we are going to bring this entire mixture together. So guys, our dough is ready now and we are going to make it into dumplings. So look at this. This is the consistency that you want in your dough. It should look like a clay dough, okay? And what you do is put some oil on your hands before you do this because the dough tends to be a little sticky. Also, I'm really hoping that you guys adjusted your water and your dahi according to the kind of dough that you've had. सब लोगों का अलग डो बनता है. मैं बहुत कम बना रही हूँ अभी. आप लोग थोड़ा ज़्यादा बना सकते हैं. एंड उसके हिसाब से आप अपना दही और अपना पानी एडजस्ट करिए. सो आपको बेसिकली यू हैव टू मेक डम्पलिंग्स एंड देन यू हैव टू रोल देम आउट लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ सिंस माई बॉइलिंग माई पैन इज अ लिटिल स्मॉल, व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना कट इट फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई एम गोना मेक लॉग्स दैट आर दिस साइज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. थोड़े से और बना लेते हैं. आई डोंट नीड टू डू द एंटायर डो राइट नाउ. आई कैन कीप इट फॉर लेटर वेन एवर आई वॉन्ट टू मेक सम फ्रेश गट्टास. इसलिए थोड़ा पतला हो गया है. लेट्स जस्ट मेक इट अ लिटिल बिट थिकर सो दैट द गट्टास आर कंसिस्टेंटली कुक्ड अक्रॉस द बोर्ड. बस ये बनाते जाइए. इट्स वेरी इजी, इजंट इट? इट्स नॉट टू डिफिकल्ट टू डू, ट्रस्ट मी. डन. आई थिंक ये भी थोड़ा सा पतला है. इसको भी मैं थोड़ा सा थिक बनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ एंड देयर वी गो, आवर गट्टास आर रेडी टू बी कुक्ड। सो एक एक करके मैं इन गट्टा को डालूंगी इन बॉइलिंग वाटर। आप ओवर क्राउड मत करिए इसको, डोंट क्राउड इट टू मच, and once it is cooked it will float onto the surface. So if you look right now, it's just at the bottom of the pan, and as and when it gets cooked it will start floating to the surface. Like you can see, these gattas are ready as they are floating on the surface, and these have these little very pretty little bubbles which actually tell you that they are cooked. So I'm just going to drain them out and take them out on a plate. मैंने थोड़ा सा ऑलरेडी रेडी करके रखा है ताकि ज़्यादा टाइम हम लोगों को अभी वेस्ट ना करना पड़े। सो जस्ट लाइक दिस यू शुड कट दीज इनटू 1 inch क्यूब्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोना डू सो दैट वी कैन यूज़ इट फॉर आवर ग्रेवी लेटर। अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा ठंडा करके काटेंगे तो शायद ये ब्रेक नहीं होगा, बट आई एम गोना कट इट व्हेन इट्स वार्म राइट नाउ, बट स्टिल इट्स होल्डिंग इट्स शेप, सो इट्स लुकिंग गुड एंड इट ट्रस्ट मी इट्स टेस्टिंग वेरी यमी. So your first step is done. So your gattas are ready. These look amazing. These taste really good, and now they are ready to be dunked in a yummy curry. So guys, now we are ready for step 2, which is making a yummy gravy for our gattas. So let's take a look here. Now what do you want? एक कढ़ाई में take 2 spoons of घी, और इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा जीरा, थोड़ी सी हींग, थोड़ी सी अजवाइन और 2 टमेटोज की प्यूरी. Flatten a little bit, so please be a little careful, as happens with all the gravies, but trust me, this product is going to be amazing. We'll keep stirring it till it becomes a little thick, और ये जो साइड साइड में आप घी देख रहे हैं, जब ये थोड़ा थिक होने लगेगा, ये घी छोड़ने लगेगा, it starts separating from the ghee. That's when you know that your masala is ready. We keep stirring it, keep stirring it. At this point, add a little bit of salt to this. Just very tiny bit of salt. And like my mom always tells me, wherever you are using curd or tomato in a curry, always balance it with a little bit of sugar. So like a pinch of sugar is what we need in this gravy. That's it. That's about it. And we stir it in. So guys, as you can see, the gravy started to thicken a little bit. Now to add to this and to give a nice touch, a nice spin to this, what we are going to do is, we are going to take a mixture. Now this mixture has about 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of बेसन. तो अब बेसिक नॉर्मल फूड साइंस है, आप जब किसी sour चीज़ में if you add something dairy to a sour thing like a thing with acidity, which is tomatoes, it's going to split a little bit. So this gravy is going to split a little bit for sure, but ताकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा split ना हो जाए, हम इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा बेसन डालते हैं so that it gets some body. And in this mixture itself, we are going to add a little bit of turmeric, a little bit, very teeny tiny bit of लाल मिर्च, because हम लाल मिर्च लास्ट के तड़के के लिए बचा के रखेंगे, and a lot of धनिया powder. If you want, you can add garam masala also to this. I don't like adding garam masala, पर कुछ लोग ऐड करते हैं. So you can add garam masala, you can add kitchen king masala also. That's a very interesting addition to this recipe, but I'm trying to keep it as simple right now because I don't know how many of you will have these masalas at home. So this mixture is now ready, and as you can see, our tomato paste is also ready. And now what we have to do is we just have to add this mixture into our tomato paste and we have to cook it off nicely. So we mix it and we start cooking it off nicely. This will give you a very creamy, very tasty sort of a gravy for your gattas. आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स कर लीजिए. जब ये थोड़ा सा थिकन होने लगे और आपका बेसन और दही थोड़ा सा पकने लगे तो हम इसको थोड़ा सा पानी डाल के भी पकाएंगे. एंड गाइज डोंट वरी इफ दिस स्प्लिट्स अ लिटिल बिट, इट इज़ सपोज टू बी लाइक दैट बिकॉज इट्स नॉर्मल. सो डोंट फ्रीक आउट, बट वील ट्राई आवर बेस्ट बिकॉज हमने इसमें बेसन डाला है. जितना कम स्प्लिट हो उतना अच्छा लगेगा. बट नाउ वी कुक इट डाउन. ओके, सो guys, now it's at the consistency that we needed. That means it's almost ready and you can see it's not split yet, but we are still not out of the woods. थोड़ा सा तो split होगा ही, it's okay. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा सा पानी और हम इस ग्रेवी को थोड़ा सा पतला कर लेंगे ताकि जब हम इसके अंदर अपने गट्टे की सब्जी डालें, so then the gattas can absorb all the yummy curry, the liquid, and we can start cooking them. That's the consistency you are looking at. मैंने almost 400 milliliters पानी डाला है इसके अंदर. And guys, I'm making this only for 2 people, just me and my flatmate right now. पर अगर आप चाहे तो आप इसकी क्वांटिटीज़ अकॉर्डिंगली एडजस्ट कर लीजिए, जितने भी लोग हैं आपके घर में उसके हिसाब से. एंड अभी हम इसको पकाएंगे थोड़ा सा हाई फ्लेम पर. We let this simmer and as soon as we start to see the first bubbles of simmer, we are going to add our gattas into this and cook further. At this point, what you can also do is add a little bit of coriander to your gravy. I did not have fresh coriander. मेरे पास थोड़ा सा ड्राई कोरिएंडर हमेशा रहता है तो टेस्ट तो उससे भी बहुत ही अच्छा आ जाता है, तो मैंने वो भी डाल दिया है. सो लेट्स वेट फॉर दिस ग्रेवी टू बबल अप एंड देन वी कैन ऐड आवर गट्टास टू इट. सो गाइज वी आर स्टार्टिंग टू सी द फर्स्ट बॉयल ऑफ दिस ग्रेवी. ओके, सो नाउ देयर इज अ स्लाइट ट्विस्ट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड टू दिस. ओके, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अवे हाफ ऑफ द ग्रेवी फ्रॉम दिस. आपको ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको जब आप जैसे जैसे वीडियो देखते रहेंगे आपको पता चलेगा ये मैंने क्यों करा है. बट फॉर नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक अवे हाफ ऑफ द ग्रेवी फ्रॉम दिस. ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ रियली 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 नाइस ट्विस्ट एंड यू आर गोइंग टू रियली लव इट. बट वेट फॉर द सस्पेंस लिटिल बिट. इसको मैं साइड में रख दूंगी. एंड नाउ बिकॉज इट स्टार्टेड बॉइलिंग, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज I'm going to add the gattas that we had made earlier so that the gattas can cook along with the gravy and become thick and become one. Okay, so अब हम इसको थोड़ी सी मीडियम फ्लेम पे ढक के पकाने वाले हैं. So guys, I'm very excited to show you. हमारी जो ग्रेवी है वो बिल्कुल भी स्प्लिट नहीं हुई है. सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट वी एडेड द बेसन टू द ग्रेवी एंड वी कॉन्स्टेंटली केप्ट ऑन स्टरिंग इट. सो डबल थम्स अप एंड नाउ यू कैन लुक एट द फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट, ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट आवर गट्टे की सब्जी लुक्स लाइक राइट नाउ. इट्स थिकन्ड, द गट्टास लुक ब्यूटिफुली कुक्ड एंड दे आर कोटिंग इटसेल्फ इन ऑल द सॉस इन द ग्रेवी दैट वी हैड. तो अब मैं क्या करूँगी, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस आउट इनटू अ सर्विंग बोल राइट नाउ. And then as I had promised you, I am going to show you कि जो बाकी की बची हुई आधी ग्रेवी थी जो हमने इसमें यूज़ नहीं करी है, what am I going to do with that? It's really going to be very amazing guys, so just wait for it for 2 minutes while I take this entire thing out. Okay, so guys, now for the twist. हमने ये जो हाफ ग्रेवी बचा के रखी थी, I am going to add that also in the pan and now I am going to tell you why we had saved this. This goes into the pan. And now for the twist. ये क्या है? पापड़. I think everybody knows about this. I had chana dal papad. You can use moong dal papad, aloo papad, even sabudana papad, it doesn't matter, whatever papad you have. So I know thoda gatta banana is a little more time consuming and probably we don't have as much time. So if you are looking for a shortcut, एक और बहुत ही classic traditional राजस्थानी रेसिपी है पापड़ की सब्जी. And amazingly enough, ये जो same gravy हमने बनाई है that can be used for both the dishes. So on days that you have the time, you can make the gattas or you can take a small little shortcut and उसी same gravy के अंदर आप roasted पापड़ डालिए. So this is a papad जो मैंने roast कर लिया है over the flame, okay? And now I'm going to break it down and I'm going to add it into this curry that we are making. Now some people also use raw papad in this, but I actually like to use cooked papad because it's a little quicker and it does not give me that raw taste. थोड़ा सा ऐसे रोस्टेड बहुत ही यमी सा टेस्ट आ जाता है इसके अंदर. तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी रियली रियली लाइक. एंड नाउ गाइज, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड टोल्ड यू इन द बिगिनिंग, आप ग्रेवी में सॉल्ट शुरू से कम रखिए क्योंकि आप उसमें गट्टे डालें या आप उसमें पापड़ डालें तो दीज थिंग्स ऑलरेडी हैव सम सॉल्ट ऑफ देयर ओन. एंड देन लेटर ऑन यू कैन टेस्ट इट एंड इफ यू फील कि सॉल्ट कम है तो देन यू कैन ऐड द सॉल्ट देन. And see, this is ready in minutes. The gatta still takes some time to cook in the gravy, but look at this papad ki sabzi. It's beautiful and it's ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this out in our serving bowl. बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. I wish you could smell it, but I hope that you do make it and you share photographs with us. And there we go. We will take out everything from this, hoping that the papad holds its shape a little bit. But guys, trust me, this papad ki sabzi is yummy. It's so inherently Rajasthani that it's epic. So guys, I've kept both our yummy curries, both the gatte ki sabzi and the papad ki sabzi on the plate today. My flatmate is going to have a really good dinner today along with me. But it's not over yet. There's just one last thing that you have to do, और जो कि है हर एक Indian dish का दिल, which is the तड़का, right? So we'll start making the tadka now. You take your tadka wala spoon and you add 2 spoons of ghee to it and we warm the ghee through. थोड़ा लो फ्लेम पे रखिए, बट जैसे घी वार्म हो जाएगा हम ये करेंगे. Now a lot of people put hing and jeera again in the tadka. I don't want to do that because according to me the curry and the gattas already have a lot of hing jeera flavor. So I'm not going to do that. Now what I'm doing is I'm making only mirchi का तड़का. तो ये तेल जैसे ही गर्म हो जाएगा हम इसको बंद कर देंगे क्योंकि मिर्ची बहुत जल्दी से जल जाती है. So we don't want our mirchi to get burnt and hence we have switched it off. And now I'm going to add 2 red chilies to this. Let it sizzle a little bit. Be careful guys, this is a little tricky. And इसके बाद we are going to add a little bit of red chili powder. Meaty red chili powder is not very spicy, but it basically gives a beautiful color to the gravy. And now that this tadka is ready, we are going to dress our final dish. Just look at how beautiful it's looking, guys. 1 mirchi for each because why shouldn't we do this? And there we go. राजस्थानी डिशेस में अगर घी ना हो तो मज़ा नहीं आता है ना, तो इसलिए हम बहुत सारा घी डालते हैं. लेकिन आप चाहें तो आप थोड़ा कम घी डाल सकते हैं, बट टेस्ट अगर चेंज हुआ तो इट्स नॉट माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. हाँ. So now both these things are ready. Just look at this glorious gattas, guys. We are mixing the tadka now with the curry. Your gattas have perfectly held shape. They have not broken at all. And our gravy is smooth. It's not split and it's beautiful. And look at this papad ki sabzi. This papad is amazing. It will just melt in your mouth when you have this. And that's about it. So guys, this is my big plate of food ready. राजस्थानी लोग ऐसे ही खाना खाते हैं, बहुत सारी varieties एक बारी में. So I hope that you liked that little twist where हमने एक same gravy से 2 dishes बनाई है, one which is super quick and one which is a little time consuming but it's worth the effort. And आप इसको गरम बाजरे की रोटी के साथ खा सकते हैं, नॉर्मल फुलके के साथ, पराठे के साथ या फिर नॉर्मल राइस के साथ. I'm telling you guys, rice के साथ भी it tastes really good. So I'm going to have it with rice. I'm going to share it with the person who I love, who's my flatmate, and you guys should also make it for your loved ones. Just a parting message: stay at home, stay safe. Try and make yummy things for yourself, for your happiness. Try and make quick things as well. I hope you like this recipe on good food with good times. If you liked it, I have a small little Instagram page which is called Tills Talks Last, where I show you some instant quick recipes. So if you want, you can go and follow that. And stay happy, stay safe, stay home, and I hope that all of this gets well very soon. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed.